Welcome back to Bike Update, the channel where we break down the latest motorcycles, tech updates, and industry developments. In today's episode, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Moto Guzzi V100, a motorcycle that continues to define the future direction of one of Italy's most historic manufacturers. Overview: a new chapter for Moto Guzzi. When Moto Guzzi first introduced the V100 platform, it represented a major leap forward, a modern sport tourer that respected tradition while embracing innovation. The 2026 V100 builds on that foundation, aiming to refine the formula with smarter technology, upgraded performance, and a riding experience crafted for both spirited weekend rides and long-haul adventures. This year's update is less about reinvention and more about polishing what already made the V100 special, keeping its signature character intact while addressing rider feedback and enhancing day-to-day usability. Engine and performance: evolution, not revolution. At the heart of the 2026 V100 remains the compact, liquid-cooled transverse V-twin that gives the bike its unmistakable personality. Moto Guzzi is expected to fine-tune the power delivery, smoothing out the low RPM transitions and sharpening the mid-range pull. These refinements should make the bike feel more responsive during roll-on acceleration while maintaining its strong touring capability. Expect improvements in cooling efficiency, reduced engine vibrations, and tweaks to the ride-by-wire system. The goal is a more progressive throttle feel that supports both relaxed cruising and spirited corner carving. Technology and rider aids: smarter and more connected. The 2026 V100 aims to push further into the digital era. Semi-active suspension is anticipated to receive updated algorithms for greater adaptability across different road surfaces. Traction control and ABS systems will likely benefit from cleaner transitions, offering more confidence while aggressively leaning or braking. Moto Guzzi is also expected to revisit the user interface. That includes clearer TFT graphics, faster menu navigation, expanded smartphone connectivity, potential integration of voice-assisted features. This combination helps the V100 remain competitive against tech-heavy sport tourers in its class. Comfort and touring enhancements, built for real roads. Comfort is where the V100 platform has always shined, and the 2026 update aims to raise that bar even higher. Riders can expect improvements to the saddle design, better padding distribution, and revised ergonomics that reduce fatigue on multi-hour trips. Aerodynamic refinements may include a more effective adjustable windscreen, updated winglets or subtle airflow channels, quieter airflow around the helmet area. These enhancements help the bike maintain stability at high speeds while reducing wind pressure on longer tours. Luggage mounting points are likely to be streamlined to support updated pannier options, giving riders more flexibility for commuting and travel. Design and styling: Italian identity preserved. Moto Guzzi has always blended engineering with artistry, and the 2026 V100 continues the tradition. The overall silhouette remains familiar, compact, muscular, and modern, but small updates help refine its presence. Anticipated design touches include sharper LED lighting signatures, updated color palettes with deeper metallic finishes, refined body panels for better heat management, more premium surface textures and accents. These subtle changes help distinguish the new model while staying true to its bold and unmistakable Italian identity. Practicality, maintenance, and reliability. One of the defining traits of the XR line has always been reliability. The 2026 XR600R continues this legacy with simplified service points, durable components, and a mechanical layout that encourages self-maintenance. Oil changes, valve checks, and general upkeep remain straightforward, ideal for riders venturing far from paved roads. The bike is built for tough environments: deserts, mountain passes, remote wilderness routes, and anywhere reliability is non-negotiable. Who the 2026 XR600R is built for. The revived XR600R targets riders who want a machine that doesn't rely on excessive electronics, complicated systems, or fragile parts. It's for adventurers who tackle remote trails and need a bike that can take punishment. It's for riders who appreciate the raw, mechanical engagement of a big thumper. And it's for anyone who wants the freedom to ride all day without worrying about breakdowns. Conclusion: a true revival, built for the modern rider. With the 2026 Honda XR600R, Honda strikes a rare balance, preserving the soul of the original XR while introducing improvements that today's riders demand. It's tough, capable, simple where it matters, and refined where it counts. If you've been waiting for a big-bore off-road machine that honors its heritage without feeling outdated, the new XR600R might just be the perfect return to form. Thanks for watching Bike Update, and stay tuned for more in-depth motorcycle breakdowns and updates.